These mountains are the most important resource of the people of Ifugao. From these mountains and the challenges it posed to food cultivation, our Ifugao ancestors have developed what could be one of the most stunning feats in agricultural science and engineering in the entire world. These mountains and valleys, even the river systems that flow into it, are the wellsprings of the Ifugao epic known as the Hudhud. The epic chant tells about ancestral heroes, customary law, religious beliefs and traditional practices, and honors the land and the rice that grows from it.
Inadal nan hudhud iapu ya hidin umang ongala wadada boy udum an manang umunateda kasinsin utu hingyon hidien ang diday nangola kimarud wani ama idanan udum ma idanan ate nan iba yanan udum an aambod talagan haon nan imun tutudu nun imun wada enan mahudhudan ya haon di ayagan dat ya munhudu haon di emun hau oh ya oh hina ka amatalau oh wanimpi bono unga nandola dadabu yubu yono ya panadaya wana inanan Indo mula dadayo, Indo mula wadanay.
Ay kukuan ang talaw, yakay padung na'y banita, ampun uwoy da batu. Oh, nung bata ako, natutunan ko yung hudhud sa mga matatanda na apo namin. At nagbibigay sila ng istorya tungkol sa hudhud na itong kanta. Yun yung natutunan ko ng dalaga na ako at ako ay matanda na ngayon. In mind, okay, salamat kay Lola. Kaya advance na nag-istorya sa akin yung tungkol sa hudhud.
Mangin inundat na hanglitan ang pinabahih na daulan di baleda alaunday higayaw na des yadewon himang lilin batang na madom madom boy argona adargona namebuki numbang aday kintara binoy kati munahal
Ruben Gumangan is one of Ifugao's most zealous culture bearers, a master in weaving and dancing, and also a munhawi.
La dan da da la dan da gawa ayagawa nai noi ahit gono hadon aimudyawan ipagidi pom banangan na bana no agapawan dapa apawan dai. Nung sa kasi bata ako, nung mga 6 years old, kinuha ako ng lola ko para mag-igib ng tubig, mag-alaga ng manok. Dahil ginagabi, puntang umaga, ginagabi yung lola namin. Sabi ko kay tata, ba't ibinigay mo ako kay lola? Sabi niya, walang kasama ang lola mo. Pag umuwi kami, sabi ko, anong mga kinukuwento ninyo? Hindi ko naiintindihan. Sa gabi, bago kami matulog, yun, kinukuwento yung buhay ni Bugan, ni Aliguyon. Yung kwento ni Bugan, yun ang anak ni Indanguna, ng Pangiwan Ingon Hadon, the beauty queen. Marami siyang suitors, mangliligaw, kaya nung mag-teenager siya, so that the entire village or the other neighboring barangays will know that si Bugan ay dalaga na. Yung mga lalaki sila ang hahanap ng mapangasawa. Hindi ngayon na yung mga babae ang naghahanap. So kapag may okasyon sa isang lugar, doon sila makapunta yung mga handsome gentlemen para kung sino ang suited yung sayaw nila, tawa niya, yung pag nagngunguya siya ng nganga, parehong red na red yung nganga, nagbabagay sila. Para kung hindi daw luto na itim, hindi sila bagay. Hidayutun nap-nap gotan ni binahin ina danahin indang unayanay ay impango iwan. Kailangang alam mo na yung mga kwento dahil kung araw na pupunta na wala na yung mga mumbaki, at least may alam ka. Nayanay uno daknan agamit ina danahi indango nayanay adi gono hadon ahuman landia idali bimoy kat ana o amodan bulan
The Hudhud. We marvel at the thought of how this centuries-old tradition of the Ifugao persists alongside the sacred rites of planting the tinawon, their heirloom rice.
Kaya gudlan ayongan ipagidipong banangan
or fermenting the baya, the Ifugao rice wine. For culture bearers, their bodies are the vessels of memory. But these bodies can only hold so much, and they will soon wither, along with everything that linked it with the ancient past. In Ifugao, the value of agricultural lands is slowly diminishing. some of the landowners have migrated in search of better livelihood opportunities. Some of the ancient practices of planting and harvesting have also been altered by climate change, thereby significantly reducing the yield of these lands.
If you can see that portion, those are originally part of this rice field. But due to erosion, unti-unting lumiliit itong rice field. And it was again planted with trees, kaya ito na ang nangyari sa mga rice fields. Presently, we are promoting going back to revive yung mga itatanim na going back to the heirloom rice. We have find difficult to convince those who have already abandoned the native rice or the heirloom rice, and they shifted to inbred rice, and it's a challenge convincing them back. Hopefully, we will be able to convince them to return to the heirloom rice. Also, we are planning to revive these other abandoned rices, because there are other rice terraces where it could be recultivated because there is water. The only problem is that we need, it's very labor intensive, so we need funds to revive these rice fields. This rice field now cost more to revive it, because aside from the labor that to prepare, to clean, ang problema is yung tubig niya. So we have to, one challenge is how to irrigate these rice fields, because we have already experienced changes in the climate now, because mas maaga na yung drought.
Even the steadily growing number of evangelical churches pose a threat to the resilience of the epic story of the Hudhud.
Kung sana hindi sinasabi naman nagtuturo ng salita ng Panginoon na masama yun, di gugustuhin ng mga bata. Ngunit yung mga point teachers ngayon na kinukwento ko, ginugusto naman nila. Kaya sabi ko, kung gusto ninyo, yung mga bata, kung gusto turuan yung mga anak ninyo, kagaya ng ginagawa namin sa Kiangan, yung SLT, School of Living Tradition, dadalhin yung mga anak, apo ninyo para ituro.
To the contemporary Ifugao, this long narrative of the star-crossed lovers Aliguyon and Bugan have come to symbolize the spirit of peace and bounty that can emerge when warring communities find the means to make peace and to live in harmony with one another. Today, the continued practice of the Hudhud chanting is carried out through the schools and the local government units.
Ohem panatalan kadakalanaya agapawandayanan wangawangda adama kawaya anpeman moy aliguyun.
It was like a reading lesson, because I have to train them how to pronounce it in a traditional manner. But we are Ifugao, so madali naman na they pronounce it in a traditional manner. Makawayan. 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 Oh. Adama kawayan. Oh, kat andago si dit, hindi ng beauty na. Aga hindi. Makawayan.
Memorization po, kasi yung words is parang deep po na Ifugao yung pinagkuhaan nila. Tapos yung paano i-pronounce yung mga kung ikakanta. Yun po yung para sa akin yun yung mahirap.
Sa akin po yung pinakamahirap po sa pag-lead ng hudhud is yung minememorize din po kasi medyo po yung mga words hindi po masyado naiintindihan.
Memorizing din po yung pagbanggit ng mga letra kasi sometimes wrong yung pagbanggit.
To preserve it, we must have to practice it alive. Na yung hudhud is to be sung during harvest, during death of an elderly, during entertainment, and during the bogwa, yung the washing of the bone.
Inat unun ada na hudhud. Ya dati nan lolo ya makahudhud. So inilaong ko ng tatay. So ng tatay basta nalpas amin langan inayaga na umbun ami istorya o na. Istorya titoy aton di hudhud. So ilugina nan lugin di hudhud. So dong lo mabalimbet an ato. So mabiga istorya la inamis pa yo. Kung mabalin sabit ang amay mga yaw on sina ay mga yaw. So at di nagibuhay ohan istorya di hudhud. Ang transfer lago oha. So nga dakol di istorya di hudhud di wada na oy. Iya di nandun na nila mamun hudhud. So idi pa an ungaha wada ng 17 years old. Wada minatayan. Nanedan old an lalakay binababakit. Idi yinan din talaga na wada ng dihul an dulitsuh an tlinay. Hiparpas nan hudhud. So ati di. So haoy di mga di hudhud. Majalan hinalaon dianon
Aliguyo na yaoya adaman kawayan nema.
It's about love, courtship, and marriage po na si Bugan is kinort down po ni Aliguyon. Tapos yung fiesta daw po is pumunta si Aliguyon at kinuha na yung parang yung ganito ni Bugan, yung atake po Ifugao. At parang doon po is nagkaroon sila ng affections or ganun. Tas, or nagsimula yung courtship nila. Basta yung Aliguyon po and Bugan.
Their lolos and lolas were very, very happy. Whenever there is, we are going to perform the hudhud, they will all come. And they feel very happy because they are seeing their kids chanting the hudhud.
We want our younger generation to learn hudhud not through rote memorization. Our culture bearers need to be expansive and exploratory in their teaching approaches. The hudhud, after all, is not mere performance before an audience. It is intertwined with every aspect of the Ifugao lifeways. Every year, the local government of Hingyon initiates the Hudhud Festival. a series of festivities surrounding the harvesting of the heirloom rice. Tradition dictates that women assume the lead role in most stages of rice production. From the sowing of the seeds during planting season to the harvesting of the rice stalks when the fields have turned gold. The chanting of the hudhud grants grace and gaiety and fills the morning air like a subtle but sacred reminder from the gods that they are a people nourished by the land and the mountains, and they are being nudged to nourish it back. Mayor Nanula, what is the greatest challenge for local governments and local chief executives to help preserve our intangible heritage or culture traditions, especially the hudhud?
The greatest challenge in our locality is how to convince our people and the various stakeholders that this is a race against time. And to achieve results, we have to rely on the synergies that different participants will help us.
Our hope is that the indigenous knowledge governing the agricultural systems of the Ifugaos will be resilient in the face of modernity and climate change. Our hope is that the hudhud, proclaimed in 2008 by UNESCO as a masterpiece of the oral and intangible heritage of humanity, will live on, not only as performances during a showcase or as an exhibit meant for festivals and tourists, for the agricultural lands and the hudhud are inseparably linked in the life world of the Ifugaos. This is Loren Legarda bringing you the emblems of Dayao, our knowledge, our pride.
Ada ka boboble di et itig-tiging dayti nagtagamnad ol hadanya aldatan dalita anganda panagamanda ada makawayaan kay punkil-kil banan bulik-lik bulik yayun na oya at lagu daya ohe